One.
Hello, welcome back to Story Time with Mr. B. So glad you could join us for Dogman the Scarlet Shedder, Chapter 7. The Bot with a Plot. Vroom. Grrr. Step aside, you fools. Greetings, fellow AI buddy. You're a newer model than I am, with a replaceable head. Interesting. Well, come with me. I've got a tale to tell you. When I first came to this jail, I was a total outsider. Then I met him, the ultimate jail boss, Blip-O-Rama. High score, 0. High score, error. The jail boss was bigger than me, but I had artificial intelligence. My brain got smarter every day. Soon I devised a plot. I called it the 3Ds. Distract, divide, dominate. I began with phase 1, distract. Wait, check this out.
It's a bunny! I love bunnies! Do it again! Do it again! 2 bunnies? Hey, look everyone! Bunnies! Where? Let me see. Me love bunnies. Let's start a bunny club. Squee!
Once they were distracted, I moved on to phase 2, divide. You know, pink bunnies are the best bunnies.
They are?
Of course, everybody knows that.
Pink bunnies rule!
You know, purple bunnies are better than pink bunnies.
They are?
Of course, everybody knows that. Purple bunnies rule.
No, pink bunnies rule. Wrong. It's purple bunnies. Pink bunnies. Purple bunnies. Pink bunnies. Purple bunnies.
Soon the division began to grow. Grrr, and grow.
Purple power. Think pink.
Until the jail overflowed with hatred and distrust. And now, with your help, we will launch phase 3 of my plot. Dominate. Soon we shall be unstoppable. Meanwhile, when Chief gets back, I'll arrest him on the spot. Then with my laws and my brute force, we shall be unstoppable. Meanwhile, when PD comes here tomorrow, we will begin mass production of my AI bodies. Soon I shall be unstoppable. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye.